Hey, we're over here at Al Creech's house where we just put on a GAF armor shield roof in hickory. We'll get a better look at it here in a moment.
Absolutely not.
So,
actually, it was funny that you showed up on my door because I had just started thinking about, well, I wish that my roof was replaced. I kid you not. That was really weird.
as a matter of fact, I'm gonna kind of like take a look at that roof next door because yours looked fairly similar to that.
Yes, it did.
And here we are here, just got a section.
Oh, I thought it was very good. You know, just as you said, a few bumps in the road, but other than that, hey, we're all satisfied and happy.
Good, good, good.
Yes.
I'm gonna take a look around here, this end.
Right.
And all right, well, tell me something about your roof now that you really like.
The color complements the brick.
The color does complement the brick a ton. My gosh, look at that.
It's so noticeable that my neighbors have even come up and said, wow, that really made your house pop now.
There you go. Look at that. So that is a GAF Armor Shield 2 roof with sealer ridge caps. Can't see from this angle, but we also added an attic breeze up top. And you've got a drip edge to match the shingles. We also redid the gutter system. And there you have it.